If you've been scrolling through YouTube lately, you've probably seen tons of videos of people promising you can make a fortune in passive income overnight. You know the ones I'm talking about, people laying on the beach, drinking cocktails, and raking in cash while they sleep. Well, if that's not your reality, I want you to know you're not alone. Most of us are stuck in the daily grind, just barely trying to get by and make ends meet, dreaming of a better way. But here's the thing, passive income is real. It's not a scam, but it's also not a magic bullet. In this video, I'm gonna be cutting through the BS. We're gonna talk about what passive income is, how it actually works, and strategies you can implement to start earning passive income today. And if you think passive income is only for the wealthy, be sure to watch to the end because my ideas are zero investment and perfect for people who are just starting out. Chances are most of the passive income videos you've seen are just a lot of bros talking about ETFs, REITs, crypto mining, and you're probably over there like, EFT, REIT, WTF? Well, if you're new here, I'm Tanya. I'm a musician, blogger, passive income and SEO specialist, and we are going to break down exactly what that is and exactly why that's probably not your best investment to start out with. While I personally do have EFTs and high yield savings accounts, that's not where I started out. That was not a possibility for me. And my guess is that may not be a possibility for you either because it takes money to invest in those things. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about passive income streams that I started with, the ones that took absolutely no money up front to create. And to be honest, I wouldn't touch anything crypto with a 10-foot pole because, well, I'm pretty risk averse. And if you were like me when I first started out, I was trudging by. I was trying to dig myself out of debt and coupon clipping my way through life. And now with the gig economy, it traps people even further into low-paying jobs. So today we're going to talk about passive income streams that you can build out with no investment upfront, using only the knowledge and the skills that you already have. The first passive income stream I want to talk about is digital downloads. These are the easiest to create and probably the easiest to sell because they generally come at a lower ticket price. Lower ticket items in general are easier to sell without a ton of marketing behind them. You're gonna start with a subject that you know a lot about, a subject people have asked you about over and over again, and you're gonna create a product that will help them with the questions they are asking you. So a few examples might be a 5-day guide on how to spring clean your house in only an hour a day, or do a complete digital declutter in 5 minutes a day for a month. If Notion is more your style, you can create a variety of different Notion templates, like a planner or an organize your life template. If you're an artist, you could sell digital downloads of your art prints, or you could doodle stickers and sell those as digital downloads for people to print on their own sticker paper. All of these are viable options for a great digital download that you can easily sell. The second type of course I want to talk about is a little more comprehensive, and that is a mini course. A mini course can be completed in less than a week, such as how to create herbal remedies from your backyard garden or creating an email funnel that converts. And then the final type of courses I want to talk about are comprehensive courses. These are much higher ticket courses that take 1 to 2 months to complete and cover a broad topic such as homesteading, creating a homeschool curriculum to help your child thrive, or my course Zero to Waitlist on how to build your private music studio from scratch. All of these courses can bring in passive income, but they do require a little bit more work and effort than that digital download, but the payoff is much higher as well. The final passive income stream I want to talk about today is blogging. Now, I know what you're thinking over there. Blogs are so 2001. Does anybody even do that anymore? Well, I've got news for you. Blogs are no longer those Dear Diary posts or those what I eat in a day posts. You know the ones I'm talking about. Blogs today are actually helpful sources of information that provide an answer to a question or a solution to a problem. Think the last time you Googled how to unclog my kitchen sink. What you found with those instructions was a blog. And if they recommended specific tools that you could maybe purchase on Amazon, well, those are affiliate links. And if you purchase that tool to unclog your sink, that blogger, well, then that blog earned affiliate commission off of that purchase. So blogs are not what they used to be. They're great, they're helpful, and they're a wonderful way to bring in passive income. And if you think about it, blogs can work in tandem with your digital products, with your courses. You can write a blog post answering a question about something that your product or your course addresses. And then you can sell your product or your course directly there in your blog with a link to the checkout page. All of these work together to bring in money. And then bonus points, as your blog grows, you can also add in ad revenue. So now you have one product that is earning you affiliate income, it's selling your digital downloads and your courses, and it's bringing in ad revenue, which is why I love blogs. And with the rise in AI technology, you can create a blog post from start to finish in about an hour. And no, that doesn't mean AI did all the writing for you. You have to edit it because, well, you can identify AI writing, but AI written, human edited content is ranking on Google like crazy, and it's a great way to bring in passive income. Those are just 3 ways to start building out passive income. Now remember, passive income is not some get rich quick scheme, but it is a way to build out long-term financial freedom. So if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of passive income, I've created an exclusive membership where you'll get access to even more proven strategies, step-by-step guides, and the community support that you need to build out passive income now and for years to come. So be sure to check it out. I'll link it down below in the comments. And until next time, peace out. Damn it, that was a good one. And the computer dinged.